Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC continues to be in this correction, very slow price action. Not much new to report, actually nothing, but obviously I know that a lot of you appreciate still updates even if nothing has really happened or changed the analysis. So the idea is still that MATIC is likely in this diagonal pattern that we've been following, a 5-wave pattern to the upside. It needs one more high though to really confirm that pattern. That is relevant because a 5-wave pattern always indicates or gives us a first indication that the trend has changed from a downtrend, this very long downtrend and correction throughout 2023, that the trend has finally changed to an uptrend. Okay, you could say, okay, we broke above the previous high. Yeah, we did. But we always need a series of higher highs and higher lows, and you can only get that with 5 waves. Okay, so we need another high, and then ideally after that one more high, we need a 3-wave corrective pullback, which is again forming a higher low. That will give us a so-called 1-2 setup, and this first 5-wave move is considered a leading diagonal. So yeah, I'm still watching here for potentially one more high. That would be my primary scenario. Support remains at 64.65 cents. Any wave 4 that goes below the golden ratio in a diagonal isn't really trustworthy anymore. It's not invalid, but it will not be trustworthy. So all these comments are still very much relevant. The price is moving in this trend channel. It's not a very well-defined one. I just added it in one of the last videos. The price is adhering to it at the moment, and it is very much possible that this 4th wave correction is already completed. It's quite a deep correction already. It would be sufficient in size, also in duration, compared to wave 2, but I cannot promise you that the wave 4 is already over. And therefore, if we make another dip, specifically below, let's just double check that, specifically below the so if we see a break below 74 cents, it would significantly increase the risk or likelihood that we form a lower wave 4. And that would just mean we have a more complex WXY structure unfolding here. But a break below 74 cents would indicate that we will make another low below the 22nd of November low, 21st of November low, which was here at around about 71, 72 cents. So next Fibonacci support is at 70 cents, and then obviously here the 64, 65 cent level. So it's absolutely still possible. I haven't got 5 waves up, so probabilities are still fairly unclear. That is always the challenge in diagonals. They don't really become very clear, the patterns, until we have all 5 waves complete. And then we can work with that pattern and add the support area for the next trade setup, the next long trade setup. I mean, this support area worked again already. Anybody who entered a position in here would now be in profit. It's just that it's not very convincing yet that the 4th wave has completed and that the 5th wave has started. It would be easier if we were, if we were seeing some kind of an aggressive upside screaming rally, but we don't. Okay, we don't. So at the moment, the risk still remains high that we will reset the wave 4 a little lower, as indicated there by the wave 4 with a question mark. It's just that below 64 cents, I have to assume that this 5-wave pattern is failing, and we're actually in the white wave count that can send us into the region between 41 and 50 cents. Not much more to add, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find a link for those in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.